Oh, hello guys. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about freelancing. What is freelancing? Freelancing is something in which a worker is not an employer, not an employee who should work from 9 to 6, but he is someone who is self-employed by selling his services from the comfort of his couch, of his sofa, of a sofa, from his sofa. And a client buys his services with a fee. To make this procedure easier, there are plenty of freelance marketplaces in which some are traditional and some are called non-traditional marketplaces. So let's first talk about traditional marketplaces. Traditional marketplaces are where clients post their requested services and freelancer bid on it, and if client finds his bid suitable and trustable, he will award the project to freelancer. And when freelancer done his job perfectly, client will release a payment for the freelancer is called traditional marketplaces. Some of the examples are Gru.com, Upwork.com, and WorkChat.com. By the way, WorkChat has both options, non-traditional and traditional. So, now talk about non-traditional marketplaces. Here, a freelancer posts his services as a gig, are called gigs. Client come and see gig details. If he finds all his requirements well and affordable, he will buy his gig. When a freelancer gets his job done, client leave him a feedback about his work. For example, the non-traditional marketplace is Fiverr.com. Now let's talk about some of its benefits. So freelancing benefit number one is for a patient who can go out for a job. He's maybe handicapped patient. He can work comfortably from home according to his own timetable. Number two, for women who feels hesitation going out for a job. She can work from home by selling her services and earn money. As well as for school student who can go for a job due to his school schedule. He can also earn money by selling his house services, and also it will help him polishing his skills and pay his own tuition fees. Yes, that's possible. And for much more people, freelancing is for much more people. But everything that has pros also has cons. Now talk about some of its cons. Number, freelancer should not be so sure about how much he will earn at the end of the month, like a job. Number two, at some cases he should be unsocial to get his job done on time. At some time, clients wanted to project to be done at some specific time or urgent. Number three, freelancer should manage his routine according to client time zone, as most of the clients he will get hired by were not from his country, not from his time zone or time zone. So that's the some of the basic information about the freelancing. Subscribe my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends who want to get a knowledge about freelancing. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.